Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching the SpyderX app and confirming permissions. This lets the software control display settings during calibration. Once done, make sure your monitor has been on for 30 minutes and is set to its native resolution and your usual brightness. Plug the SpyderX into USB and attach the sensor to the screen center with the provided counterweight. You want the sensor to sit flat against the panel. This establishes a consistent baseline, so measurements reflect your real working conditions. You now choose the profile type that matches your work, color critical, photo, or web, and pick target values, typically 6500K and 120 CD/M2 with Gamma 2. 2 for standard workflow. Once selected, follow the app prompts as it displays a sequence of color patches. Make sure you don't touch the monitor or move the sensor while the 20 to 40 patch sequence runs. Interruptions skew results. When the measurement finishes, the software calculates an ICC profile tailored to your display. You save and apply the new ICC profile and give it a clear name so you can revert if needed. The OS will load it for color-managed apps. Once applied, use the verification option and review test images to ensure neutral grays and accurate skin tones. This confirms the how and why of the adjustment. If colors look off, first check the sensor position and ambient light changes. Then repeat calibration. Reposition the device and rerun measurements because small shifts cause big differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.